Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Monday the 10th of February 2020. And yesterday we produced our gold price forecast for this year. And in case you haven't listened to it, we've placed a link in the description box below. Now tomorrow we shall be publishing our silver forecast, but this will appear within the Inner Sanctum first, and then will be released generally next week. Now today we're going to briefly talk about currencies, and especially the euro. We've frequently pointed out that whatever one may hear about the US dollar, it is, quite frankly, when the chips are down, the currency to which most foreign exchange traders and investors flee towards. Primarily because of its reserve currency status, and to be blunt, the enormity of the US economy. In our weekly gold and silver update, which we published last Saturday, we highlighted the fact that the dollar index strengthened yet again. Against sterling, for example, within a very short period, we saw it strengthen from $1.32 to the pound to $1.29 to the pound, which is where it rests today. However, we're now seeing the dollar index strengthen yet again to 98.82, and one of the main reasons is the weakening of the euro. So let's take a quick look at an article published by Bloomberg late this afternoon. Bloomberg article by Susan Barton, February 10th, 2020, 5:17 p.m. GMT. Headline: Euro slumps to 4-month low amid weaker data, virus fallout fears. The euro has been plagued by fears that the spread of the coronavirus will undermine the region's economic growth. A slew of weaker data is only making matters worse. The shared currency touched a 4-month low in early New York trading Monday, putting it on track for a 6th straight daily decline, the longest losing streak since September. Data Monday showed euro area investor confidence missed estimates at a time when traders are concerned Europe's biggest economy could have contracted in the fourth quarter. Investors are worried that the euro area economy will weaken further as the coronavirus continues to spread rapidly. Some forecasters are already lowering their estimates amid the concerns. JP Morgan Chase & Co. and RBC Capital Markets last week downgraded their forecasts on the currency. Quote, "The euro can probably move lower, especially if some risk-off tone still exists tied to the virus," unquote, said Brendan McKenna, a currency strategist at Wells Fargo & Co. in New York. The euro is likely to fall to 1.09 by the end of March, but is likely to rebound to 1.13 by year-end as, quote, "the effects of the virus will start to wear off," unquote, and the dollar weakens. McKenna expects European economic data will improve by the year-end. While the euro fell 0.1% to $1.0919 at 12:08 p.m. in New York. It earlier dropped as much as 0.3% to $1.0909, the lowest since October 2nd. The common currency posted its worst January since 2015, weakening 1.1%. Separately, traders are also concerned about political upheaval in Germany after Chancellor Angela Merkel's former protege quit as party chief, leaving the race to lead the country wide open. End of article. Well, the euro versus the dollar today is $1.09 to the euro. On the 2nd of Feb 2018, just 2 years ago, there were $1.25 to the euro. This is by how much the euro has fallen against the dollar, or to say it another way, how much the dollar has strengthened against the euro. In a similar time period, sterling too has fallen against the US dollar, whereas back in 2018 February, they were $1.42 to the pound, and now there are $1.29 to the pound. Now, for those who have listened to Greg and I on the Brexit videos, you will have picked up Greg's view that the EU are going to fall into a state of complete disrepair. And looking at what is happening already, he may indeed be right. Though we have noticed the Trump administration's announcement today that they are more likely to conclude a trade deal with the EU before concluding one with the United Kingdom, as talks are much further advanced. How this all pans out we shall have to wait and see, but our view is that the euro area has a lot more pain to suffer, especially as Germany's economy appears to be in not necessarily a terminal state of decline, but certainly a state of decline. It's worth noting that today gold is $4 up since its opening, and silver is up 13 cents. So both performing quite well, despite the fact the dollar is rising. And equity markets too in the United States are in positive territory. Thank you so much for listening. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell sign so that you're notified of videos as and when they are published. We have also provided links in the description box below for any anti-coronavirus products that may not necessarily cure the coronavirus, but may help reduce the potential of infection. It's a better alternative than to locking oneself in complete isolation in one's bedroom. Until tomorrow. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and share it on social media. Please ensure that you have subscribed to our channel and press the bell sign so that you are notified of any future videos. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe either as a free or paying member for regular email updates and offers. Disclaimer: Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.